Hello, welcome. This is Odehyie Keff, your number one teacher in terms of guitar, your best friend, your brother. And you are all welcome. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe if you're a new follower, because you can see it's amazing here, learning guitar from beginning to advanced. We do guitar chord formation, chord progression, scales, how to construct scale, understanding of how a song is moving, creating solos, learning other songs from other masters, the licks, what are duets, a whole lot of guitar lessons, the topics that I cannot even mention. So you just don't worry going far for any video apart from this channel. It's been a wonderful lessons here across the YouTube. So don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe for others to join us, and even recommend the channel for your friend, to tell a friend, to come back to Odehyie Keff music. You are all welcome. Thank you.